Maybe you have a vintage tool that has a like this pipe wrench that the handle is fractured in several places. It's an original handle, and maybe or maybe it's missing. Maybe like this cobbler's hammer, the original handle is missing. I mean, this cobbler's hammer is probably going on 100 years old. So the handle's missing. Or maybe you have more modern tools that have polymer handles, and you want to replace them with something that looks nice, like a nice wood handle, maybe something out of maple or some other kind of hardwood, So all of these handles can be created do-it-yourself style with a home lathe, with a mini lathe. Okay, so yeah, instead of going out and having to purchase handles, I mean, a hammer handle, a decent hammer handle these days is about $15. I mean, so something like this you can't buy. You need to manufacture something like that yourself. Okay, these vintage hammers are, these vintage handles are, one-offs. They're not one-offs, but they're unique in the sense that you're not going to be able to buy them off the shelf. Stuff like this, these are really one-offs. This hammer, you have to do some research and see what type of handle was on here, or you can just come up with your own design. Okay, so utilizing our Central Machinery Harbor Freight 10x18 mini wood lathe, we're going to show you a couple of new knobs for these tools. Now, these are actually chuck tools for lathe chuck. Okay, so we are going to start by making new knobs for the ends of our chuck tools. Okay, this is our chuck, and this is the tightening tool. Okay, so there's two of them. So I don't like the way these plastic red handles look, or these knobs look. So we're going to go ahead and make a couple out of wood.